Not quite.
I got a big hair in my mouth. I love it when I take a bite out of my sandwich and get a great big giant hair in it. Welcome back to Dave Eats London. Today, Lucinda's joining me.
Hello.
You join me a lot, don't you?
Yes, quite often.
You're like the most regular guest host there is. I don't know, maybe we should do a Lucinda channel. If you think we should have a channel just for Lucinda, tell us below in the comments. So, Wendy's, since they have a new crispier chicken sandwich, right?
Yes.
And they have crispier fries.
Yes, they do.
So, there's bags inside this bag.
Ooh.
There's lots of bags here. You ever hear of over packaging? I think there's over packaged here. What do you think?
Yeah, this seems to. It's got salad in it.
So you had a salad, right?
Yes.
Instead of fries.
Yes.
So I got the new crispier fries. So I made sure I got the giant one. Well, you're going to want to try one. They don't fill this up very good.
Caesar salad.
Caesar.
Caesar.
Got big hunks of Parmesan on that?
Yep, big hunks of Parmesan and big hunks of bacon.
Now, a combo in this was $11.10 on 6 dishes, right?
Yes.
And neither one of these are marked. So I had a spicy one.
So, sandwich roulette.
I also put bacon on mine. You didn't want bacon on yours.
No.
That seemed highly weird, really weird. Since I got the giant fries, I had to get the giant pop to go with it. Are you having a hard time? Would you like me to help you out? Okay. Holy. Safety sealed for something here.
Adult proof.
Well, you got bacon on your salad. Nice real bacon.
Yes.
That was hard to get off.
I know.
Wasn't it? Why don't you go ahead and try your salad? I'll start trying the fries. You got two? Oh, that one of them was croutons, right?
Croutons.
I don't know if these fries taste much different. They taste more salted, maybe. I don't know much. Maybe a little crispier. They're a little thinner, aren't they?
Maybe a little thinner.
They're still not great. Okay. I'm gonna guess it this way.
Well, if we have to change it, we have to change it.
Now we wanted to get that new caramel flavored frosted for you, didn't we?
Yes.
But they only offered us chocolate.
Yes.
Let's get the dishes. I don't know why. Giant Coke Zero. Want me to get a better picture of that salad? I don't know how important that is. Everybody's seen a salad from here, haven't they? There we go. Is that Parmesan cheese, Asiago cheese? What kind of cheese is that on top?
It should be Parmesan.
Did you try it?
Parmesan.
Parmesan. Alright. We'll try your salad. It's not even about the salad. They do a small salad there, don't they?
Yes. Lettuce could be a little,
It looks a little old, doesn't it?
yeah. We'll pass on that piece. And that piece.
I chose right. You chose wisely.
It's nice that it's got the big pieces of the cheese and the bacon in there. Unfortunately, the lettuce is a little
Old.
old, yeah. Gone kind of transparent and slimy.
That's too
On
bad.
the end, it doesn't look
Sorry, Wendy's. Bad salad. Come on, check your lettuce.
Yes.
The fries are crispier. Okay, crispier chicken. This is what we're here for. I got the spicy.
That one's got bacon on it.
Doesn't look anything like the pictures. But it looks like a real piece of chicken.
Maybe.
Now, I'm pretty sure, well, they're both the exact same shape, aren't they?
Yes, they are. I'm a little suspicious there.
Well, they could be like one of these re-put back together chicken, like Subway. Cheers.
Cheers.
I'm gonna say that's very crispy. Did you? Lettuce looks better than your salad. I got a big hair in my mouth. I just did that out of there.
Get a drum as a toy for Christmas.
Hey.
You know what we're going to?
Greatest innovator.
Nice. Big hairs are always great. I love it when I take a bite out of my sandwich and get a great big giant hair in it. I love it when I get to pull it out of my mouth. It's one of my favorite things. You know, when you're pulling it through your lip, somebody's dirty old hair. I just love that. Thanks for the dirty old hair, Wendy's. How's your sandwich?
Not bad after I took the big piece of...
Rotten lettuce off it?
Yeah.
This one here is a little slimy too. All right. Yeah. Not the greatest example. Big hair, rotten lettuce. It's not that crispy. Spicy. I took a second bite of the hair burger. Yeah. It's real chicken. It's not on par with some of these spicy or these new chicken sandwiches. I don't think.
No.
Wendy's, you do a great job in your fresh burgers. Chicken sandwiches that are more money than your burgers. I don't think they're awesome.
No.
Tell us what you think of the new crispy sandwiches. Leave a comment below.
Subscribe.
Hit the like button. Share. And thanks for watching. I'm Dave.
And I'm Lucinda.
And this has been Dave Eats. She always forgets her lines.